Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So on this video I'm going to show you how you can easily add keyframes on the video effects in CapCut. So in case you didn't know, now we can add keyframes to CapCut, so we can adjust the effects to our own liking, and here's how to do it. So first you need to go to the video effects and then add the effects that you want. So for example, I want to add the okay, I'm going to just add the blur, the simple blur effect. Just click on a check icon, and to be able to use the keyframe on the effect, you can use it plus in here, or you can also change the object first into all videos like this. Then here, for example, for the beginning of the effect, I'm going to apply the blur into 100. Then at the end, I'm going to lower the blur. So here I'm going to lower the blur, for example, into only 25. Okay, so now the effects will look like this. The intensity of the blur will be reduced according to my adjustment on the keyframes. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and click on the thanks. Bye.